The energy industry is being transformed. That there's a need to collaborate and there's a need to coordinate that isn't happening under the current infrastructure. That needs to be changed. Blockchain is a tool that can enable that collaboration. It can enable innovation that will allow the industry to transform in ways that we just can't imagine today.
Who's your customer?
Our customer for the platform is really the industry. That it has to be industry-led. There has to be an appetite for all these different parties that are otherwise competing to collaborate in a way that enables a more efficient industry, that enables innovation and enables them to evolve their business models as the nature of the industry changes.
Right, so what's your roadmap?
At the moment, we're very much in a phase of educating the industry, of building consortia, of getting them involved and participating on the platforms. We're looking to build those consortia that will then be supportive of rolling out and developing the proof of concept platforms into platforms that can actually be used between them on a production basis.
And what's the next big step, the next big exciting thing?
The next big step, which should be announced imminently, is the consortium behind our flexibility trading platform, where we are looking to move that to the next level, that we're looking to start trialling products and trading between those parties that are part of the initial group and actively trading flexibility on the platform.
Do you have any competitors who are trying to do something similar?
I think that there's a lot of interest in blockchain in the energy sector. It's come from a slow start and there's a lot of momentum. Most of the interest has been in looking at peer-to-peer trading and what can be done behind the meter or behind a microgrid. We've got a number of projects that are looking at that, but where we see the big blockage to those projects transforming the industry is having a platform that can bring all of those projects together and change the underlying nature of the way data is shared. That if a microgrid is set up on its own, it is by definition physically limited. If it can't completely disconnect from the grid, it's avoiding costs rather than reducing costs. And under the current regulations, it's not going to have a long-term benefit. So we do see the way we're approaching the industry at that top-down level of how can we create an infrastructure that enables those peer-to-peer platforms to trade with the industry, to work across different levels. That seems to be quite unique among the energy sector.
And are you offering any incentives to industry partners to get involved early, or to investors?
At the moment, what we're talking to our participants, to our partners about, is creating a new market. That there is a need, there are missing markets that we're creating that they want to be part of. So they're very much involved in the design of the products, in the design of the structure of the data, and how it's going to be shared.
And how are you being funded in this early development stage?
Well, our projects have largely been funded by innovation grants. So our first project was with Innovate UK. We recently received the Department for Business Energy Entrepreneurs grant to develop our flexibility trading platform. And at this stage we're now looking for investment from the participants to roll it out at the next level.